Oh, this is going to be interesting. Lots of lights. That's the best shoes for climbing. Sometimes no words are needed. Here we are, guys. Middle of nowhere, windy. Just out looking for mushrooms and they're only just starting to sprout. The only place there seems to be any sprouting is underneath logs in the shade. Not very many. Some nice ones right there. That's what you're looking for, as far as I know. Being my first time picking them. Yeah, that's cool. I know Morel ridges. Seems to be the ticket. I'm gonna keep searching, and I'll bring you back if I find any more. Nothing. Yesterday I found 3. It's like it's too dry. I know it's early, but... Well, guys, I walked all the way around here, and there's more moose and bears in there, mushrooms, and more mountains. But maybe enough for feed, who knows. It's either too dry, even though we've had rain, or too early. Time will tell. Onward. If you like this kind of content, help out the channel by giving some support with a like, comment, and subscribe. So here we are inside, and I've got this morel mushrooms prepped that I just picked fresh an hour or so ago. Soak them in salt water for 5 minutes, rinse them off, and now I have them in a little baggie with paper towel drying up. So we're gonna get my little stove going and gonna try them with just basic butter. I don't want to spice them up too much. I want to understand that natural flavor and see what it comes out like. So I'm gonna get my little portable gas stove and get some butter heated up and see what happens. Often, but now and then, summertime, gotta celebrate with a little cooler. Oh, yeah, very good. Oh, little kick to that. I'm used to it. And don't while. Okay. And I let that go down in the butter. I don't want to burn them. So I've not eaten these from a fire before. It's about time I tried something new. Now, if you know the best way to have them, and you know a lot more about them, leave your messages in the comments. All the tips are appreciated. Just keep it polite. There's probably such a thing as overcooking these. I don't want to do that. And just gonna let that cool a bit so I can try one. Cheers. And guys, gonna try this. I had some shrimp earlier, so that's why I didn't have any steak or anything to go with it. I had some Cajun shrimp, but man, no spices needed. Like it, oh, man, that was good. Mosquitos have found me through the crack in the door. Probably all my moaning about how delicious this was. I give that a rinse. Don't want to attract a bear inside the camp, so I'm not going to come butter outside. Well, I'm going to sit out on my deck for a while in the breeze. It's windy here, so you can see the animals just chill. Beautiful. Loving life. Life is short. And let the bygones be bygones.